Hello there, I hope you're keeping safe and well. So I'm going to get straight to it now and take you through the process I do to actually get a setup in Splice for collaborators to begin to participate with this particular new track. So here it is here, and you can see I need some guitar parts. And I'm going to be doing the mix tomorrow as part of a 2-series video. So for this video, I'm going to go straight to Splice and set this up. So here we are in Splice, and you can see I've already set up a number of projects. We're using Splice quite a lot now as a worship team as well. So as a subscriber, so to speak, I can actually set up projects, but you only need a free account to actually become a collaborator. So I'm going to go to Studio. So you can see already we've got some completed projects, and I'd want to create a brand new project. Now you can see that we've got some options here in terms of the software that we want to use in terms of a DAW. In this instance, I'm going to be using GarageBand. Most people haven't got Logic Pro, so I'm going to just put GarageBand there. I'm going to start a blank project and I'm going to create it. I can add a comment. So I'm going to add that there. And I'm going to name it as well. So I'm just going to go to the settings area. And update that. So that's that project now ready. So I can now invite collaborators. So I'm not going to do it yet. So I have notified the guitarist, and he's happy to put some parts down. So as soon as I invite Bryn, he's going to get something like this. So he'll get that project. He'll be able to open it in GarageBand, add his guitar part, and sync it directly with me. Then what I'm going to do, I will take those parts as stems and put them straight into Logic. So Splice has been really handy now, especially as musicians working from home individually. So we can really manage projects. Each musician can collaborate on a track. And how it's been working is myself and my colleague, we've been pulling those final stems into a Logic project. Okay, so that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, click that subscribe button and that bell icon, because there's going to be another video where I'm going to be doing just a mix, a basic mix for the guitarist and syncing that in GarageBand. So that'll be coming tomorrow. Speak to you soon.